Hello and assalamu alaikum friends. Today in this video, we are going to talk about top medical pharma companies, which have Halal Sharia compliant verified stock, and have a great chances of huge returns. This is very important for us to know properly about the stocks, its risks, and the news about the stock, before investing, so you can invest your money safely, and lower down the risk of investing. We will cover all these points in this video, so stick with us to the end of the video. So today in this video we will analyze about the stocks, and take a look at the news about that stocks. Don't forget to subscribe, because we do a lot of hard work, and research about topics, to make a good content for you.
This video is only for education purpose only. An investor may get back less than the amount invested. Information on past performance, where given, is not necessarily a guide to future performance. Loan is prohibited in Islam, as well as it's a risky factor to take a loan for investment purpose, because it may cause you a great loss. Short-term and day trading is also prohibited in Islam, so please avoid it.
Let's get started. We have 7 big manufacturers of drugs: Cipla, Zydus, Cadila, Hetero, Dr. Reddy's, Jubilant, Mylan, Singen, in which we have 3 Halal company: Cipla, Singen, Cadila Pharmaceuticals. Great news for the companies is the government decided to fast-track approvals to raise production by 10 lakh vials per month. Fast-track approval has been given for 7 additional sites, having the production capacity of 10 lakh vials month to 6 manufacturers. First, let's talk about Cipla company's status. It's a large cap company with market cap over 76,416 crore. Good news about Cipla is that Cipla has doubled production of COVID-19 medication, remdesivir, and its shares hit new high. Cipla has a deal to make and supply US-based Gilead's remdesivir in more than 100 countries. Take a look at its pros and cons. Company has reduced debt and have a healthy dividend payout of 17.93%, which is a good sign. But it's trading 4.43 times, which is a risky factor, and company has a low return on equity of 9.69% for last 3 years. Here are shareholding patterns for company: 36% of promoters holding in company. Financial trend of the company is also give a good sign, and these are the recent chart for the stock. Recently we see a downfall in Cipla shares, which is from 990 to 906. Now let's talk about Cadila Healthcare Limited company status. It's a large cap company with market cap of rupees 56,946 crore. Cadila Healthcare operates as an integrated pharmaceutical company with business encompassing the entire value chain in the research, development, production, marketing, and distribution of pharmaceutical products. Cadila, among India's top 10 drug makers by revenue, is also planning to produce the drug remdesivir that is in high demand globally, after it showed promise in treating severe patients with COVID-19, the disease caused by the novel coronavirus. Cadila Healthcare share price gained in the early trade on April 8 after the Pharma Company received the US drug regulators approval for ibrutinib capsules that are used in cancer treatment. Take a look at its pros and cons. First of all, company reduced debt and have a healthy dividend payout of 23.34%, but it's trading 4.84 times, which is a risky factor. Here are shareholding patterns for company: 74.88% of promoters holding in company, and this is a good sign. Financial trend of the company is also give a good sign, and these are the recent chart for the stock. Price rallies too high from its book value. So that's it for today, guys. We want some valuable suggestion from you to improve our content. If you have anything, give it in comment section. And also have any query about any stock or Sharia compliant stock, please ask in comment section. We will provide our best. Hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy, then please like video, share video, and press bell icon to get notified about new video, and also don't forget to subscribe.